In this video we will talk about Jemay GS888 Smoke and CO Detector. Jemay is offering 26% off on this product from its Amazon store, link in the description. Before we start today's video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.
So many houses and buildings burn every day, properties that could have been saved by just having the right smoke detector. That's why I'm serious about safety, and I bought this smoke alarm from Jemay, the best one on the market. With this, even if your house loses electricity, this battery-powered smoke detector will have your back and keep your family safe. This smoke detector will last 10 years, so this is a great long-time purchase. It's 6 times more accurate than your traditional smoke detector. It can quickly detect thick smoke, black smoke, and slow smoldering smoke in just 1 second. It will even tell you when it needs batteries, so it won't die on you without letting you know. This is totally foolproof. I did hours of research, and this is the best smoke detector by far. Checked all my boxes. I highly recommend this. Get yours today.
Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.